Hello! Today we're going to learn about geometry word problem. Let's say we have a problem like, if PQRS is a square and x is the midpoint of RS, then find the value of x. Now it says in the problem that PQRS is a square. So that means that this square has all four sides which are the same. And it also says that x is the midpoint of RS. So that means that x is the midpoint of RS, which means that x is in the exact middle of RS. So that also means that Sx is equal to XR. So Sx is equal to XR. So let's write that down. Sx is equal to XR. So if x is the midpoint of RS, then that means that Px is equal to Qx. So that means that Px is equal to Qx. So let's write that down. Px is equal to Qx. So if two sides are the same in this triangle, then that means that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two sides that are the same and two angles that are the same. In this case, Px is the same as Qx. So that means if Px is the same as Qx, and that means that PQX is the same as QPX. Let's write that down. So angle QPX is equal to angle PQX. We know that angle PQX is 55 degrees. So angle PQX is equal to 55 degrees. So that means that angle QPX is also 55 degrees. So angle let's write that down a little straighter. Angle QPX is equal to 55 degrees. So we know that the interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that means that angle PQX plus angle QPX plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. We know that angle PQX and angle PQX are both 55 degrees. So that means that 55 degrees plus 55 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So that means that 110 degrees, because 55 plus 55 is equal to 110 degrees, So is plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So 110 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's subtract 110 degrees from both sides. So that means 110 minus 110 is equal to 0, and 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. So we're left with x is equal to 70 degrees. So that means that angle x is equal to 70 degrees. So 70 degrees. Let's write that down. X equals 70 degrees. Angle x. So, if PQRS is a square and x is the midpoint of RS, then the value of x is 70 degrees. Today we learned about geometry word problem. Thank you for watching this video.